When it comes to buying a pickup truck, Ram stands out for its solid reputation for power, reliability, and versatility. But with the numerous engine options available, including the iconic Hemi V8, the efficient EcoDiesel V6, and the versatile Pentastar V6, the question arises, which engine is the best choice in the long run? It's not just about power and performance. Durability, fuel efficiency, and long-term maintenance costs are just as important factors for anyone looking to keep their truck for years to come. The choice between these engines can be difficult, as each has its unique strengths. In this article, we'll delve into the specifics of each of these engines, exploring the pros and cons from a long-term ownership perspective. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend warrior, or someone who relies on their truck for heavy-duty tasks, we'll break down which Ram engine delivers the most value and reliability over time. Hemi V8 engine, a legacy of power and performance. The Hemi V8 has long been a favorite for truck enthusiasts, synonymous with raw power and superior towing capacity. This engine has been a cornerstone of RAM's performance lineup for years, offering impressive performance on both highway drives and off-road adventures. From a long-term ownership perspective, the Hemi stands out as the go-to engine for those who prioritize power above all. With a 5.7-liter displacement and producing up to 395 horsepower and 410 pounds-ft of torque, the Hemi engine offers an exhilarating driving experience. It excels in heavy-duty tasks like towing large trailers, hauling equipment, or handling rugged terrains. If you're someone who needs their truck to carry heavy loads or pull a boat or camper over long distances, the Hemi's power will provide peace of mind. However, power comes at a cost. Despite the Hemi's outstanding towing capabilities, fuel efficiency is not its strongest suit. With an average mileage in the 15 to 20 mpg range, Hemi V8 can be quite thirsty, especially for daily commuting or long road trips. Over time, this can lead to higher fuel expenses compared to the more efficient engine options when it comes to maintenance and long-term reliability. The Hemi engine is known for its durability. With regular care and proper service intervals, it can easily last beyond 200,000 miles, with many owners reporting no major issues even after extensive use. The key to getting the most out of a Hemi engine over the years is consistent maintenance, particularly keeping the oil clean and using high-quality fuel. While the Hemi engine can be prone to higher repair costs due to its complexity, it has a solid reputation for standing the test of time with proper upkeep. EcoDiesel V6 engine efficiency with towing power. If you're looking for a balance between power and fuel efficiency, the EcoDiesel V6 might be your engine of choice. This engine was designed to offer the best of both worlds, providing a sufficient amount of towing capability while being far more fuel efficient than its gasoline counterparts. The 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6 engine delivers 260 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque, making it more than capable of handling most jobs, including towing medium-sized trailers, boats, or RVs. It offers best-in-class fuel economy, achieving up to 26 mpg on the highway. For those who need to strike a balance between performance and operating costs, the EcoDiesel's impressive mileage and power output make it an appealing long-term option. While the EcoDiesel V6 is excellent for towing moderate loads and offering a better driving range, it does have its limitations. Its maximum towing capacity is lower than the Hemi V8, topping out at around 12,560 pounds depending on the truck configuration. It's compared to the Hemi's 12,750 to 13,000 pounds. This makes the EcoDiesel V6 a better fit for those who need a capable engine but don't regularly haul large, heavy loads, in terms of maintenance and long-term ownership. The EcoDiesel engine is relatively dependable but may require more attention than the Hemi in some areas. Diesel engines tend to have more moving parts that are prone to wear over time, and they require more frequent service checks, especially when it comes to things like exhaust systems and filters. Additionally, the EcoDiesel's more complex design may result in higher repair costs when something goes wrong. That being said, the EcoDiesel can last for well over 200,000 miles if properly maintained. Diesel engines, when taken care of, have a reputation for outlasting their gasoline counterparts, with many reaching up to 300,000 miles or more without major issues. Regular maintenance, such as checking the turbocharger and ensuring the fuel system stays clean, will help you get the most out of the EcoDiesel over the years. Pentastar V6, the balanced, practical choice for those who prioritize a good balance of performance, fuel economy, and cost. The Pentastar V6 is an excellent choice. This 3.6-liter engine produces 305 horsepower and 269 pounds-ft of torque, providing ample power for most tasks while being one of the more fuel-efficient options in Ram's lineup. When compared to the Hemi and EcoDiesel, the Pentastar V6 is more versatile for everyday use. It delivers good towing capacity of around 7,730 pounds, which is sufficient for many light-duty needs, such as towing a small trailer, camper, or boat. It's also the most fuel-efficient of the three, offering up to 25 mpg on the highway, making it an excellent choice for those who use their truck primarily for commuting and light-duty hauling. The Pentastar V6 is also easier on the wallet in terms of both initial purchase price and long-term costs. Maintenance and repairs tend to be more affordable due to the engine's simpler design compared to the more complex Hemi and EcoDiesel engines. Over time, this could save significant amounts in service costs, making the Pentastar V6 a solid option for those looking to keep long-term expenses low. From a durability standpoint, the Pentastar is highly reliable. With regular maintenance, it's common for these engines to last well past 150,000 miles without major problems. Many owners report trouble-free experiences well beyond 200,000 miles. Though like all engines, periodic checks and fluid changes are necessary to ensure its longevity. While the Pentastar isn't as powerful as the Hemi or as fuel-efficient as the EcoDiesel, it strikes a solid balance that suits many drivers. Asterisk, which Ram engine is best long-term? Ultimately, the decision between the Hemi V8, EcoDiesel V6, and Pentastar V6 comes down to what you need from your truck. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, as each engine excels in different areas and caters to different preferences and use cases. If raw power and heavy-duty towing capacity are your top priorities and you're willing to deal with higher fuel costs and potential maintenance expenses, the Hemi V8 remains the best option for long-term ownership. It offers unparalleled towing capacity, especially if you frequently haul heavy loads. With proper maintenance, this engine can go the distance and still provide robust performance. But you should be prepared for higher gas bills. For those on the other hand, if you prefer a versatile engine that provides sufficient power for everyday tasks and good fuel efficiency, the Pentastar V6 is the most balanced option. It offers reliable performance, a decent towing capacity, and an attractive fuel economy. It's the ideal choice for those who don't need the sheer power of the Hemi or the fuel economy of the EcoDiesel, but still want a dependable engine that won't break the bank in terms of maintenance or running costs. If you're someone who seeks fuel efficiency but still needs substantial towing power, the EcoDiesel will deliver. And if you're after a reliable, cost-effective engine that can handle light to moderate tasks, the Pentastar V6 offers great value. Regardless of which engine you choose, Ram's durability and engineering will serve you well over the years. By making an informed decision based on your needs, you can enjoy your Ram truck for many miles to come. Each engine has its merits, and it's up to you to weigh long-term fuel costs, maintenance, and towing needs against your day-to-day driving. The choice of the engine should reflect what you use your truck for most and what kind of driving experience you expect over time.